my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today I have a grocery haul for you guys, my weekly grocery hauls. I figured why not? I haven't shared one in a while, and I'm also going to show you guys what I'm making for dinner, and I'll be prepping some fruit, maybe, if I don't get lazy by the time I get to the fruit. Anyways, let me show you what we got. Okay guys, so here is my weekly haul. I did a Walmart pickup. Okay, so I first of all comment, I added some stuff to my cart like a week ago, and then I forgot that I did that, and then I added more stuff, so I have a lot of bananas. I didn't mean to buy that. That was supposed to be for soccer. But anyways, it's fine. We'll make it work. I'll freeze the bananas if anything. Okay, so starting over here in zero order, I got some mini sodas, just if I need caffeine, but don't want to drink coffee. I got the Premier Protein. I seen someone... I can't drink this by itself. I just can't. The taste of it is not something that I can drink alone. But I seen people adding it to their coffee in the mornings, so I want to try that. I just ordered the 4-pack, but they substituted it for this, so it's fine. I got some cup soups. My mother-in-law stole my other ones, and my husband too, so I had to replace our little stash. I needed some shampoo and conditioner for the kids, some toothpaste for the kids, glass cleaner. This is another mistake. I had already bought this, so I have now 4 of them. This is our favorite ice cream. They're small and such a good little snack for after dinner. We are obsessed with bagels, the plain bagels. We have one every morning. My son really enjoys these breakfast bowls. This one is turkey sausage, and this one is bacon. I got some potatoes because I've been obsessed with loaded potatoes, so I really want to make loaded potatoes. I had some for dinner yesterday, and I had some for breakfast, so yeah, I'm obsessed. I always keep this in hand as the garlic butter shrimp scampi. Just put butter in the pan and shrimp and pasta, and your dinner is done. This is a refill because I always like to have those on hand. I got the Cajun turkey, super good. Some more ground beef. Okay, and then I picked up some juices. My kids were going bananas because I forgot to buy juices last week. So they basically had no juice all week. Okay, so like I said, that's an accident. It's summer now, so I'm not buying stuff like that. That was an accident, and that was an accident. But whatever, I'll let them eat that. But for the rest of the summer, we will be eating baked chips. If they don't like it, then they don't eat it. That's as simple as it is. We were out of pancake mix, so I picked some of that up. We ran out of Cheez-Its, got that. My kids really enjoy these juices. They're only $1. That's how bad they are for you. But I only bought, 12? So well, after that, I'm not buying that anymore. My son's Takis. The yogurt, we are obsessed with this yogurt. We have been doing smoothies for dinner because my husband's not home, so because he's the one that always wants like a big meal. Me and my kids are happy with a nice little smoothie, and we use this yogurt, oatmeal, frozen strawberries and bananas, and chia seeds, and a little bit of milk. So good. We've been obsessed with these little rolls. I make sandwiches with the turkey for lunch, and it's really good, so that'll be for our lunch. I was sick, and I ate my chicken noodle soup, And I always like to have this on hand because like I was sick. I didn't have to go out to the store. I already had soup. So I went ahead and bought this just in case so I can have it in stock. I've been a little bit obsessed with Starbucks coffee lately. So I got some of that. And then this one is a vanilla latte one. We got milk, my favorite creamer, string cheese. My son already opened it. Bananas, and then some strawberries. This was a substitution. I ordered a pecan and honey one, but they didn't have it, so I told them it was fine because I'm sure I'll like that one. And then the whipped cream cheese because it's easy for my kids to spread on by themselves. So yeah, that is the, wait, did I skip stuff? Like I bought bowls. Did I mention that? I don't know, it doesn't really matter. Anyways, that is this week's groceries, and I have a bunch of cooking stuff because like I said, we haven't really been cooking. We've been doing smoothies. So yeah, oh, I could probably add the protein shake to our smoothie. I'll try it, see how it tastes. Anyways, I hope that you guys got ideas, or maybe you can try some things that I have and get ideas. Anyways, so I figured I'd just show you guys what's for dinner today. I'm gonna be making chili. I like to cut up and freeze peppers, onions, so that if I ever, I'm in a rush, I don't have to cut it up. I just have it in the freezer, and then I put it in the pot, and it always works out very well. Plus, if I know they're gonna go bad, and I haven't been able to use it in like my salads, then it's easy just to go ahead and cut it up and then freeze it. So, anyways, I used the peppers and onions, the last little bit that I had, and I'm gonna cook that with the meat, and then I'll add all the canned goods. Okay, this is just what I have in my pantry, so this is what I'm gonna use. I have the mild chili seasoning, some whole peeled tomatoes, red beans, black beans, diced tomatoes, and then mixed chili beans. So I'm gonna open all of these, rinse them, and put them in. And I might add this if I need water, but we'll see. I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper, a tiny bit of salt, because we can always add more. Some garlic and onion powder. Okay, and then you let it simmer on high for 20 to 30 minutes. Taste it, add whatever you think it needs, maybe some salt. I added a bunch of cayenne pepper, and it was so delicious. You guys should totally try it. Alrighty guys, that is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.